So next up, guys, just gonna do a quick video. We're gonna have plenty of pictures and stuff with the listing as well, but we're gonna do a video here on the Vulcan Protig 205. It's a TIG or a stick welder. It's barely been used, guys. Pretty dang new, electronic display. So they only use it on 4 jobs or so. And it's just set up for stick right now, obviously. Set up for TIG right now. TIG with foot change. So he'll go ahead. He'll just do a quick demo here for you. Let's see it there, guys. TIG with foot change. So she welds. Really nice running, quiet little welder, guys. So we'll have plenty of pictures, but there's a quick video. So, good luck, guys. Auction time, Old 20 auctions.